Hi guys, I'm Ashlyn and I will be sharing my skin routine with you guys, and all the products that I'm going to be using are from Faithful to Nature. So the first product that I use is the SKOON Gel to Milk makeup remover and cleanser. I love cleansers that are also makeup removers because it saves you from doing double work. So if you have a makeup remover, you don't need to use the makeup remover, wash it off, and then still wash your face with a cleanser. It just does both all at once. So I've rinsed the gel cleanser off my face, and I like that it's so gentle and it doesn't have a fragrance. I know fragrance-free products are always the best to use if you have sensitive skin. So the mask that I'm going to be using is from CORIUM Spa, and it's called a turmeric clay mask. So this turmeric clay mask brightens, repairs, and it helps with anti-aging. I love a mask that helps your skin in various different ways. Rinse the turmeric clay mask off my skin, and I love the way my skin feels. It's so smooth and healthy, and it doesn't feel like I've over cleansed. So the next product I'm going to be using is the DEITY toning mist. It's got aloe, rose, and frankincense. This toner hydrates and it balances your skin, and the aloe in here, aloe is so good for your skin, guys. It refreshes and it hydrates in a natural way. So in my skin routine, I often use serums or moisturizers. I've actually found a better way to do this, just for that extra boost of nourishment, and I tend to use this just before I sleep. So the specific one that I'm going to show you is the SASSUI essential oil. This has jasmine and rose. So I'm going to pair my essential oil with a jade roller. So in case you didn't know, jade rollers help with the absorption of a serum, an essential oil, or whatever it is that you're applying on your skin. So a jade roller increases stimulation and collagen in your skin, and it also acts as an anti-inflammatory and helps with redness. I'm going to put a few drops on my face. So I'm just going to use the jade roller just to absorb it into my skin and just to increase the collagen and stimulate my skin. Like a mini massage on your face. It's the most amazing feeling. All the products that I use are from Faithful to Nature. We've added the links down below so that you can purchase all the products that I use today. Yeah, happy shopping and take care of your skin.